we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting, related and often mispronounced names from history as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, this is obviously a name, a word of German origin. In Germany, it is said as Reichstag, Reichstag. In English, however, it is usually said and to be pronounced as Reichstag, Reichstag, with an emphasis on the first syllable, Reichstag, from German Reichstag, Reichstag. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.